Hello everyone, welcome to Slow English UK. Today, I want to talk about something very important. How I study English every day. Many people ask the same question, how can I improve my English? The answer is simple. You need a daily routine, a small routine, but a consistent routine. Let me show you what I do. My first habit is listening. Every day, I try to listen to English. Sometimes I listen to podcasts. Sometimes I watch YouTube videos. Sometimes I listen to simple English stories. Listening is very important. When you listen every day, your brain slowly becomes familiar with English sounds. At first, you understand only a little, maybe 20%, then 40%, then 60%. This is called progress, and progress takes time. My second habit is reading. I like reading simple English texts, not difficult books, not academic articles. Simple texts. When I read, I focus on understanding the idea. I do not translate every word. If I translate everything, reading becomes slow and stressful. Instead, I try to understand the meaning from the context. This makes reading more natural. My third habit is vocabulary practice. But I do not try to learn 100 words in one day. That does not work. Instead, I learn maybe 5 or 10 words, but I use them many times. For example, if I learn the word confident, I create sentences. I feel confident today. I want to be more confident when I speak English. Using the word helps me remember it. My fourth habit is speaking. Speaking is the most difficult part of many learners. It is easy to read. It is easy to listen. But speaking feels scary. Sometimes I speak alone. Yes, alone. I describe my day. For example, today I went to the supermarket. I bought some bread and milk. I saw many people. This simple practice helps my brain think in English. My fifth habit is patience. Learning English is not a fast process. Many people give up too early. They study for 2 weeks. Then they stop. But language learning is a long journey. You need patience. You need consistency. Even 20 minutes every day can make a big difference. If you study a little every day, your English will grow. Slowly but surely. And remember this. You do not need a perfect method. You just need a routine. A simple routine you can follow every day. Thank you for listening. If you are learning English, tell me in the comments. What is your daily English routine? See you in the next video.